Shopping on the marketplace is now the choice of modern society in meeting their needs. In addition to making the transaction process easy and safe, we often encounter various attractive offers. No wonder if you just look at the pictures and glance at the affordable prices, you are easily attracted to the items on display. But there is one thing that needs to be considered when shopping in the marketplace, namely the issue of the authenticity of the goods. The United States Department of Commerce found 42 online shopping platforms, including a marketplace suspected of being involved in selling counterfeit goods. Even though there is a seller report feature and maybe the money can be returned, but this is very inconvenient because it definitely takes time to take care of it. Not to mention, if we miss reading the notes, items that have been purchased cannot be returned, or read the rules before buying make us feel cheated to have bought counterfeit goods. Of course, this is detrimental to us as buyers. Therefore, here are some easy ways to spot counterfeit goods sold in the marketplace. 1. Pay attention to the price offered. It is common knowledge that too low a price from an official store is an indication of a fake. And low price is no longer the determining factor. Most irresponsible agents currently charge a slightly different price from the original price. Follow your instincts. If you're still in doubt, try checking the seller's profile and look again at the buyer's response in the review column. 2. Understand the characteristics of the original product. Before purchasing online, know every detail of the product to be purchased. Because most sellers of counterfeit goods attach photos to the original logo of the manufacturer on the image of the item. Some sellers even use photos taken from the brand's official outlets to post in their online stores. If we can trace the real photo of the item, it will be easier for us to tell the difference. Or even when the goods are in hand, we will find out more quickly if this item is fake or genuine from the characteristics and product details that have been known in advance. Then also check the notes on each item sold, so you don't miss any notes. 3. Check the product packaging. Be careful if we receive goods with packaging that is not clear or different from usual. Most well-known brands usually use wrappers that have a logo on their packaging. Reviewing logo and packaging design errors also helps us to identify counterfeit goods more quickly. If there is a suspicion or it turns out that the goods we purchased are counterfeit, you should immediately report it to the marketplace for further handling. 4. Do not be fooled by the terms or unilateral claims of the seller. Many sellers do not hesitate to label the goods they sell are genuine, for example by including the word 100% authentic, even though the goods are fake. Some other sellers use confusing terms, such as super grade, original grade, premium, or others. Though it all actually refers to counterfeit goods. We have to look at the reviews of previous buyers. If necessary, contact the seller to ask if the item is genuine, and whether there is a guarantee of return if it turns out to be a fake. Hope this information is useful for your vigilance in shopping online.